everybody, it's my birthday. I'm 21 today, finally. I'm gonna drink, I'm gonna have fun today. I'm very excited. I literally just got back from driving from Orlando. I have a few of my friends coming over soon because we're all gonna go to brunch, and Judy, like Mayla, you guys have seen them before in my videos. They're gonna be coming here to help like get ready and have fun and stuff like that. So I'm gonna take you on today's adventure, which is my 21st birthday vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel if you're not already, and let's get started with the video. You're so excited to see your friends. He doesn't even know Sergio. He's like saying...
Still alone. Since you left me, nothing has been the same. There's no time for regrets, but I remember how I slept in your chest. I want to forget it, take a breath and leave you away, away. But it's not that easy, 'cause you make me miss you again.
Later, I'm filming on my phone because my camera has died and I've been so busy. I just took my makeup off. It's like 4 o'clock and I went to brunch, got a little bit, you know, tipsy, whatever, and I'm actually pretty tired. I just went to Starbucks too and just hung out, like super chill. I'm gonna take a nap because I have dinner at 7:30. I'm gonna keep the same outfit on, call it the day. I don't know. Also, I'll see you guys in a little bit when I get ready for dinner. By the way, my whole outfit is from Pretty Little Thing. The top, the shorts, sorry, my towel's in the way, the shorts, and then I was just wearing black heels from Target. I haven't had a chance to talk to you guys because it's been so crazy, but I'm having such a really fun day. I got my car too. Guys, I have video footage. So before I show you the video, I bought the car myself, but my mom still like wanted to surprise me with it, so she did. It's a Toyota Corolla 2021, and yeah, I'll enter the footage so you guys can see it.